Don't think about regression test automation as something separate. Well, that's easy. If you are already spending time automating the new features, right? The new feature tests that you are that are part of your scope right now, then that means the next time you need to run the test again, it will run as a regression test. So what you're creating now in terms of automated tests for the new features in your current sprint, for example, will be reused or re-executed, maybe even within the same sprint. If you have good automation practices, tooling, skills, you can automate the new feature testing in the same sprint and run it in the same sprint again and again and again. Don't think about regression test automation as something separate. The exception to that is if you are doing all your new feature testing in a manual fashion, then yes, you have to think about, well, how can I automate those tests that I ran already in a manual fashion so that next time I can run them in an automated fashion and gain the speed that I'm looking for as part of my release. In those scenarios, there are many approaches that you can leverage from choosing the right solution that will give you the quickest time to value. In other words, the quickest way or the quickest path to automate those tests, whether you have very skilled technical team or not, that will play into how you define or determine the right tool for the team. And then once you have all that figured out, then you can start automating those regression tests. But don't think about, how am I going to automate regression? Do I have to stop doing new feature testing? No, it's not one or the other. Again, it's really a combination of both based on what you have within your team.